time. Tamil language, grade 4. Hello dear children, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to learn a new Tamil lesson. What are we going to learn today? Yes, today we are going to learn how to tell the time in Tamil and how to ask and answer questions about time. Okay, let's start the lesson. Can you see the clock? The time is 1 o'clock. In Tamil, we can say Oru mani. You can repeat with me. 1 o'clock, Oru mani. 1 o'clock, Oru mani. What is the time now? Yes, it is 2 o'clock. In Tamil, we can say Irandu mani. 2 o'clock, Irandu mani. 2 o'clock, Irandu mani. The time is 3 o'clock. Do you know how to tell it in Tamil? We can say Moonru mani. 3 o'clock, Moonru mani. 3 o'clock, Moonru mani. It is 4 o'clock now. How to say that in Tamil? Yes, you can say Nangu mani. 4 o'clock, Nangu mani. 4 o'clock, Nangu mani. Can you see the clock now? The time is 5 o'clock. In Tamil we can say Aindu mani. You can repeat with me children. 5 o'clock, Aindu mani. 5 o'clock, Aindu mani. What's the time now? Yes, it is 6 o'clock. In Tamil, we can say Aru mani. 6 o'clock, Aru mani. 6 o'clock, Aru mani. The time is 7 o'clock. Do you know how to tell it in Tamil? We can say Elu mani. 7 o'clock, Elu mani. 7 o'clock, Elu mani. It is 8 o'clock now. How to say that in Tamil? Yes, you can say Ettu mani. 8 o'clock, Ettu mani. 8 o'clock, Ettu mani. Can you see the clock now? The time is 9 o'clock. In Tamil, we can say Onbadu mani. You can repeat with me, dear children. 9 o'clock, Onbadu mani. 9 o'clock, Onbadu mani. What is the time now? It is 10 o'clock. In Tamil, we can say Pattu mani. 10 o'clock, Pattu mani. 10 o'clock, Pattu mani. The time is 11 o'clock now. Do you know how to tell it in Tamil children? We can say Padinoru mani. 11 o'clock, Padinoru mani. 11 o'clock, Padinoru mani. Finally, it is 12 o'clock now. How to say that in Tamil? You can say Pannirandu mani. 12 o'clock, Pannirandu mani. 12 o'clock, Pannirandu mani. Okay children, let's revise what we have learned up to now. We learned how to tell the time in Tamil. Let's tell the time from 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock again. 1 o'clock, Oru mani. 2 o'clock, Irandu mani. 3 o'clock, Moonru mani. 4 o'clock, Nangu mani. 5 o'clock, 5 mani. 6 o'clock. 6 mani. 7 o'clock. 7 mani. 8 o'clock. 8 mani. 9 o'clock. 9 mani. 10 o'clock. 10 mani. 11 o'clock. 11 mani. 12 o'clock. 12 mani. Now you know how to tell the time. Let's ask what the time is. To ask that question we can say நேரம் என்ன சொல்லுங்கள். You can repeat with me children. நேரம் என்ன சொல்லுங்கள். நேரம் என்ன சொல்லுங்கள். That means tell me what is the time. சொல்லுங்கள் means tell. நேரம் என்ன means what's the time. When this girl asked what the time is, how do we tell the answer? Yes, we can say the time is 3 o'clock. How do we tell it in Tamil? நேரம் 3 மணி. நேரம் 3 மணி. That means the time is 3 o'clock. Okay children, today we learned how to tell the time in Tamil and how to ask someone what the time is. To ask the time we can say நேரம் என்ன சொல்லுங்கள். That means tell me what is the time. To answer that question we can say நேரம் with the correct time. For example, we can say நேரம் 1 மணி. நேரம் 3 மணி. நேரம் 10 மணி. Now it is the time to see how much you have learned from this lesson. Children, can you answer this question? Look at the first clock. நேரம் என்ன சொல்லுங்கள். What is the answer? Yes, the answer is நேரம் 1 மணி. Look at the second clock children. நேரம் என்ன சொல்லுங்கள். Yes, the answer is நேரம் 12 மணி. Now the third clock. What is the time children? நேரம் என்ன சொல்லுங்கள். The answer is நேரம் 5 மணி. Well done children, you did it. Dear children, today we learnt about time in Tamil. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson well. You can download the student note from the school website and copy it down. So my dear children, I hope to see you soon with another lesson. Till then, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.